Hello, my name is Thelindabradley and I am with Princess House. I wanted to come to you today to tell you how our return policy works and our replacement policy as well. So Princess House has a 45-day money-back guarantee. We guarantee that you're going to love your products. And if you don't, for any reason, you have 45 days from delivery in which to actually send it back to the company and either get another product in its place or get a full money back refund. So make sure you keep your boxes, try your products, even if they're used. You can send them back if you are not happy with their performance, all right? So that's number one. You always contact your consultant. If you don't have a consultant, please contact me and I'm very happy to help you. Thelindabradley@gmail.com. So number one, you have 45 days in which to return products if you're not happy with them. Now, we always ask that you please open your products right away because sometimes people buy things for a gift and they don't open them right away. They'll put them away and 6 months later they give them as a gift and it turns out that one was broken. If something comes broken, then 100% we replace it right away, no charge. It was our fault that it was broken, but we need to know right away. So even if you're buying things to put away, whether for a gift or for your new home, I have a lot of people that buy in advance of moving, please open up your boxes when the products first come to make sure that everything is in good shape, all right? Number three, Princess House is very unique that we have a half price replacement policy, and this is how it works. Let's say you have a set of 4 glasses, right? Or I'll use these because they come in a set of 4 mugs, right? And you break just one. Now, normally, if you bought this at a regular store, you're just out of luck. You're going to have 3 mugs because you can't just buy one. But Princess House will do it for you. So what happens is they prorate the price. Let's say that 4 mugs cost $40. If you break just one, it'll be $10 to replace. But we have a really cool policy called a half price replacement policy that if you send back your broken pieces, it's half price. So instead of it being $10, it will only be $5 for that. I always tell you to please make sure that you tell your family that we do have a half price replacement policy because a lot of the times, if somebody in your home, I'm not going to mention names, your husband, your kids, breaks an item, they throw it out. They'll hope you forgot you ever had it to begin with. But if we can send it back, it's only half price. So whatever you have, whether it's a glass, a dish, a bowl, even something, here's a sugar and a creamer, maybe just the lid of this gets broken, you can replace just the lid, all right? This is an item where it's a chip and dip set, inside bowl, maybe just this bowl gets damaged. You can replace it. The difference is if it's a discontinued item. So Princess House has been in business for almost 60 years. Some of you have products from a long time ago that we no longer carry in the book. Those items, if you break them, are much more difficult to replace. I will tell you that even if you break an item that's discontinued, please call your consultant. Again, if you don't have a consultant, I'm happy to help you. And what will happen is we'll call the company and see if there's still inventory. Because even if it's a discontinued item, if the company has inventory, they will still get it to you at that half price. If it is no longer available and it is not in the company at all, we just have to work a little bit harder. So I've been with Princess House for almost 38 years and I have a nice core group of other Princess House friends, and what we do is we network. So we have a special page and we put it out there, hey, I'm looking for this discontinued piece for a customer, does anybody have it? And a lot of the times we get lucky. It's just that when we do it that way, we can't make any guarantees. I might find it in a day, a week, a month, a year, I might never find it. But if you have anything that you need to be replaced, please call your consultant because we want you to be happy with your products and we know how excited you are. Every now and again, I'll get a call from somebody who insists that something that she has is Princess House, but I can look at it and say that it's not Princess House. And that's really difficult because they believe in their heart it was Princess House. They tell me, my mom bought this at a party 40 years ago, and I'm like, I don't know how to say it, but it's not Princess House. We have very distinctive pattern and very distinctive products. But again, reach out to your consultant first. If you do not have a consultant, please call me or email me, thelindabradley@gmail.com, and we will be happy. We don't want you to have pieces that don't have lids, right? Or 3 mugs instead of 4. We want you to be able to use your products every day and feel confident using them. So that is our replacement policy for Princess House. See you next time.